The French Senate has ruled Notre Dame will be rebuilt exactly as it was before the fire. Donors have contributed 840 million euros towards this effort. But the task ahead is enormous. The team must remove tons of toxic lead dust, the remains of the old lead roof left over from the fire. Then clean and restore fragile stained glass windows. To reconstruct the roof identically, they must fill the 3 gaping holes in the stone vaulting, rebuild the timber framework from almost 1,000 oak beams, cover it with 3,000 square meters of lead tiles, and raise the iconic 65-meter-high spire. It's the largest restoration project in the cathedral's history.
Je n'ai qu'une hâte, c'est de la redresser, parce qu'en la reconstruisant, j'ai hâte de reposer le coq sur la flèche et de dire ça y est, mission accomplie.
That's the plan. But before they can even start work on this ambitious scheme, they must shore up the remaining damaged roof. The arch stone vaults, made from hundreds of cubic meters of interlocking limestone blocks, supported the roof above. But now the vaulting is extremely fragile. Repairing the arches could trigger a collapse. To stabilize the structure, the team must install 52 timber support arches beneath the vaulting so they can rebuild safely. But installing them more than 30 meters above the ground is no small feat.